plane just crashed with the coke.
That's right, the plane just landed. If you want to win this 2024 BMW S1000RR with race and dynamic package, M-Forged wheels, quick shifter up and down, a Obsetvations exhaust, and much, much more. So for your chance to enter to win it, head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com, donate or buy the merch, and you're automatically entered.
How long you tell me story? Hide we in the dark. Might have to fix my other button right here on this joint. But anyway, thank you guys to be back. What's up, baby? I see you peeking. All right. She had to get a last little peek too. I'm here doing it for you guys. Starting a whole new culture, whole new breed. Shell turn, second turn. Woo! A lot of wind out here today, as you can tell. Suit jacket is blowing all over the place. Gee, I'm blessed. 17 blocks. On trucks, yeah. And know why you tell your story. Beautiful day. What's up, brother? I see you peeking over here. No need to be shy. You can wave at me, say hi. What's up, brother? All right. Two peaks. Twin peaks. Twin peaks. Two peaks. Look at her long distance peeking. Is she peeking long distance? Nah, she ain't looking. No program. No, we're not back, no program. So I'll be right here in the streets with her. I'm gonna have to take her. Throw one in the back, tell her, baby, come on. Damn. I'm Brooklyn. Shout out all the ends, all the corners, wherever you come from in the world. Thank you for tuning in to me. Thank you for watching these videos. Thank you for appreciating what I do. What's up, bro? Caught him. Got another one over there.
In the club with a diamond, I'm ready to slide. I'm ready to reserve.
But whoever you're tuning in from, I appreciate it, man. Woman, wherever you are, whoever you are. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for noticing I have talent. The same talent that you have. If you feeling like you want to do this, don't think that you can't, man. Just believe in yourself. I was talking to a gentleman the other night. He was new in the game. What's up, Pop? All right. He was new in the game. Gave him some help. Hopefully he ran with it. Hopefully that what I gave you, run with it, Papa. Run with it. Have a good day with it. Tango, buen dia. Alright. Ooh, tie keep coming out. Loosen it up. My baby wanna be telling me on my see you, brother. Let the pressure out. Let the pressure out on him. I don't be wanting to let the pressure out on him like that, but fuck it. Let it out on him now. Oh no. Hello, baby. Look at mama in the bus. Here comes the 2, the 3 to the 5. Oh my, good Lord. He was waiting for that moment too. He was waiting for it. Full RPM here, guys. Back with another legendary video. I'm giving away this 2024 BMW S1000RR plus 5,000 euro, man, to one lucky winner, man or a woman. Man or a woman. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous. Somebody's gonna win 5,000 euro and this bad boy, bad girl, whatever you want to call it. But her name is Snow White. Because if a woman wins it, she's gonna say it's a guy. And if a guy wins it, he'll continue the legacy as it's a woman. Here it is. Silver metallic, purple, yellow, white, and black. One of one. One of one. You see it? I think it's gorgeous, man. I think it's gorgeous. The purple over here. The purple and black BMW logos. Akrapovic exhaust. M-forged wheels. Wherever you are in the world, man, enter to win it. Make sure this thing gets to you. Make sure to get to you, man. Gorgeous.